Welcome geniuses. Today's video showcases Toby's ball puzzle from Sherlock Holmes. While the goal is to dismantle and rebuild this wooden ball, to dismantle it, look for the first moving piece like this one, and then the other pieces also come off easily, especially this one you can remove, and then you can unfold the complete ball, removing one piece at a time. While breaking it was easy, but rebuilding is certainly not a cakewalk. You may first have to sort these pieces, separate the curved ones from the straight ones. Now look for the pieces like these, which have cavities at both ends. A no-brainer tip should be fitting these arches into these cavities. Since this one doesn't have any cavity, let's keep it on the side. And same is the case with this one. Now this one looks familiar and we can fit in two arches, one on the left and another on the right. Once that is done, I would like to bring your attention towards another piece, which is the central anchor piece, and it also has two cavities. We can fit two arches into it, and you will see it plays very important role in this puzzle in a minute. Now keep all these pieces on the side. Now lift the leftmost piece first. This can be coupled with another piece which also goes into the cavity, making it a couple like this. This arrangement can be easily fitted into the central anchor piece, and you can arrange them like this. Now to stabilize this structure, you might need another anchor piece. In the side view, you will clearly see it can't go like this. It has to go the other way, and it has to go over the top and fit into this anchor. Once this anchor is locked, you will notice the middle channel is mobile, but there is no chance of pieces falling apart as this structure is safe now. However, the rectangular gap in the middle is uneven. In order to fill this, let me rotate the puzzle, and you can see this piece with the arch. It has to go in vertically from here, but of course these arches have to be removed. Please bear with me, this one is a little tight. Into the middle channel, you can insert the specially designed piece and fit into the square space so that the puzzle takes shape, and then you can adjust to remove the empty space. Now rotate the puzzle on its side. Fit in the arches now, one on this side and another one on the other. It has to be done carefully without letting it fall apart. At this stage, we are left with only one solid piece which can go right into the square cavity in the center, and let me fit right in. To finally finish the puzzle, please subscribe to the channel if you liked this puzzle.